Whoa! Oopsie. Sorry, Sue. Holy cannoli, this is amazing!
Seriously?
Okay, I won't say a word.
Deal? Ugh, that's it! What is so funny that you keep laughing at?
Check this out, Sue. The world's most unusual houses people live in.
Huh?
There's a guy who built a hobbit burrow in this Pennsylvanian dwelling in the form of a shoe. And in Portugal, there's a stone-like house. Cool, huh?
What do you say if I suggest you building a mushroom house?
I would say, why on earth are we still sitting here? Let's go.
Okay. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a cool house from cardboard.
Not just a house, Sue, but a mushroom house. Can you believe it? A dwelling in the form of a mushroom. If you can't wait to see what it's gonna look like, give us a thumbs up.
Relax, Sammy. We have a lot of work to do. This is the reference form for the rest of the pieces. Now we'll draw a circle of the size we need. Be careful with the compass, guys. This tool is usually really sharp on one end. And now we're gonna draw another circle, but a smaller one, inside the first one.
Okay, Susie, I'm ready to cut everything out.
Just in time, Sammy. Here, take this. We're gonna need to cut out a lot of pieces for our mushroom house. Like this one, for example. Even the outline is already done. And also these. I cut them out in advance.
Sue, we are a perfect team. If you agree, guys, then give a thumbs up.
Right, Sammy. Now we can start assembling the frame. Oh, where's the glue gun?
Oh, I can help you find it. Bibbidi-bobbidi subscribity.
That's your favorite spell, Sammy. And definitely the most useful one. Here we go.
Be careful with the hot glue, Sue, and you guys should also be careful, or ask an adult to help you.
Sam's right. This stage of the process should be very neat, so that the frame of the house turns out as it should be. This requires a lot of attention. The second piece goes right here, like that. Hey, Sammy, tell me more about those unusual houses you read about earlier today.
Oh, I really like the one in Poland. It's called the Carrot House. Its only dweller and designer literally squeezed it between two neighboring buildings. Can you imagine it? It's only slightly more than 1 meter wide at its widest point. What a pragmatic approach.
Yep, that guy totally didn't want to waste any space. And I don't want to waste our time, so hop! And the mushroom cap is ready. We'll put it aside for a bit and turn to assembling the stem.
I'm here to help, Susan. Quick, move! Okay, goes here and done.
Well done, Sammy. What a great helper you are. Let's put the mushroom cap on top. There we go. All we have left to do is fill in the openings by gluing the rest of the details. Stay tuned.
Hey, Susie, I cut out these pieces I asked for. What's next?
Oh, thanks, Sammy. We'll need them very soon. Just let me finish with this.
What is this, Sue?
A window, of course. There can't be a house without windows, right? Guys, be very careful with the cutter. It's really sharp, so don't cut your fingers.
Why, doesn't this window look too simple for such an unusual house?
Trust me, it won't be. This is why we need those pieces that you kindly prepared. Look, we'll glue these rectangles like this. One after the other. It's pretty easy.
Oh, I got it! It'll be a window ledge.
That's right. And now we'll take this piece, slightly bend it like this, and make a little canopy. And since the mushroom house itself sounds more like a tiny cozy fairy tale forest hut, we'll make its windows also a bit fairy-like. See? It doesn't look too bad, huh? What do you think, Sammy?
I think that one window is absolutely not enough. Let the fairy magic do the trick. Whoosh!
Whoa, guys, just check them out.
Oh, they all turned out different. I can't believe that my fairy magic has expired.
Oh, no, don't be upset, Sammy. I really like that each window looks unique. I think it'll add more charm to this little house. Actually, we can even place them quite randomly. Let's see.
this house reminds me of the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Wait a second. For now, this house won't even be able to stand the slightest breeze.
That's right, which is why we'll now cover the whole frame with these cardboard strips. Come on, move.
Whoa.
Are you ready, guys? Oh, I almost forgot about the door. It'll be right here.
Huh. If you ask me, the door canopy should also be decorated. That's perfect.
Decorator Sam's back in business. Now let's mark the door itself. It will be rounded at the top, of course. By the way, Sammy, I liked your reference to the Seven Dwarfs. They totally could have considered this shape for the dwarf's house for the film.
You meant to say for the cartoon that they drew back in 1937, right?
Well, yeah. In my mind, a giant mushroom could perfectly match the landscape of that fairy forest. Don't you think so? Sammy, maybe you should consider yourself working as a special advisor to cartoon creators.
This actually sounds like a great idea, Susan. Imagine they will call me day and night asking for my professional opinion on every single thing. Hold it, day and night. What if I'm busy with our crafts? Or I'm eating something tasty? No. I'd rather be the star of this channel. Here I can do whatever I want and eat whatever I want. I'll go grab something from the fridge, by the way.
Oh, Sammy.
Oh, what a nice idea it was to have a break for a snack. Wow, Sue, is this a chimney pipe? How did you manage to do all that?
Well, I had no breaks for a snack, Sammy.
Well, it looks just awesome. And what are you doing now?
Oh, I decided to decorate our big mushroom with a bunch of smaller ones. I thought this way our little house would look even more natural.
A bunch, you say? But I only see this one toadstool. Come on, Susie, admit that you need my help with these.
Well, actually...
Ooh! How long was I absent after all?
Relax, Sammy, we're still far from finishing the craft. We've got so much work ahead. I'm gonna need a lot of help from you.
Say no more, Susan. I think I know what you want me to do. I'll be right back.
Guys, you know that you can make as many of these as you want, right? Or you can even come up with something else to complete your own mushroom houses. Just get creative, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Susie, I've noticed that our house is missing something.
Oh wow, Sammy, good job. It's a porch, guys. It goes right here. Perfect.
I also found this. These craft paper sheets might be useful for our mushroom house.
You're totally right, Sam. Check this out. We'll take one, and then we'll crumple it properly like this. We need to shape it as if it's a little rock or something. And then we'll simply attach it to our house. Right here, at the bottom. Let's do the same all around the house. Cool!
If you don't mind. Oh, it goes here. Now I like it very much.
The door looks wonderful, Sammy, and you carved a heart? How sweet. This looks so cute.
But you know, I've been thinking, mushrooms are usually well hidden in the grass.
Now you're reading my mind. Hop. Okay, guys, I really like how our mushroom house turned out, but we definitely can't leave it like this.
Whoa, my favorite stage painting!
Hold it, Sammy. Not yet.
Oh.
At first, we need to cover the whole thing with clay. This will make the house look neat and even more realistic.
But shoot, we will need a ton of clay to cover all this. It'll take us forever.
Well, it won't if you help me. Besides, we can talk about something interesting. It always makes the work process smooth, and time just spins away.
Interesting, you say. Well, did you know that the most expensive house in the world is worth $2.9 billion? It's actually a palace, the Buckingham Palace. Cool, huh?
Whew, that's quite a lot of money. In cash, this money would be a giant pot.
You say? You're gonna need like a whole separate house just to keep such a sum in there.
That's right, Sammy.
So I decided to help you prepare more clay.
Thanks, Sam. This is exactly what we need. Fits perfectly.
So I also want to try. May I?
Sure, Sammy.
I'll go make a mushroom.
You're gonna need a lot of patience for this stage, but it's worth it. Don't forget to properly make the heart-shaped opening like this.
Looks good, Sue. Do you add water to clay?
Yes, Sammy. And how's it going with your mushroom?
Well, you can check it out for yourself. It's cool, isn't it?
And is this roughness your special designer idea?
I got it. Oh, we'll fix that. I'll do it in the blink of an eye. Is it any better?
Much better, Sammy. Guys, if you liked how Sam did this mushroom, then give a thumbs up. And we move on.
Yes, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sue, I'm a bit tired already. Can we speed this up?
Sure, Sammy, let's do it. Ooh, up. A little more. Done. And we're finally at the painting stage. Sammy, you already started?
Oh, Sue, I decided to follow your example and stop doing snack breaks.
Oh, that's why you work so fast. Here comes the red paint. We'll also need some yellow. And some green, of course.
Sue, I have a genius idea. Let's set a speed painting contest. I'll paint the roof and the door, and you'll do the rest of the house.
Awesome idea, Sammy, and the loser will be responsible for cleaning the whole week.
Deal.
Watch and learn, Sammy.
A few more touches. Here we go.
Phew, I'm done. I wonder where Sam is.
Right here. I finished like 2 hours ago. How much longer should I wait?
It means I lost? Whatever. It was my turn to do the cleaning anyways.
Susie, that's cheating. You totally tricked me. But the good news is that our craft is amazing. Guys, let's have a closer look.
Guys, I really hope that you liked our craft today. If you're going to make your own mushroom house, give it a thumbs up. Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.